I went back to the good lighting to film this intro because I don't know why I didn't do it earlier. My lips are off. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally giving you guys a Halloween tutorial. Very kind of last minute. I decided to recreate which picture you guys saw on my Instagram a couple years ago that I love. I still love that look. Like, that was one of my best Halloween looks ever. So I decided to recreate it and make her a little bit more fun and glittery and a little bit more like iconic with these lips. Like, I don't know what I was thinking because I was like, oh, clown. Oh, let me give her some like really big lips because she's supposed to be like a pink glittery witchy witch with my little tiny witch hat. And I did have a bigger witch hat in that picture, but I don't know where it is at the moment, so there's that. But I wanted to do a Halloween tutorial this year, and this is what I came up with last minute, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Lips are a little odd, but I think it's just like, she's just like, I'm so pretty, I'm gonna like, yeah, I can't say it because it's demonetized, but yeah, so basically this is what we're doing. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching and let's just get started. Old Sam's resurrecting herself. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm doing since I did not start this bare face is I'm applying more powder to my face because it already looks really crazy. So, okay, we're going right in. Hello. So I am using the pink shade in the Blood Sugar palette. I will have everything down below, and I'm just taking that color into my crease and on my outer corner because this is a pink witchy vibe. I do have to say though, I feel like the original picture looks way better than what I'm recreating. But on a positive note, I really love how the eyes came out in this look a lot. So next I'm taking Extraction and another shade. Again, I'll put those down below. And I am going over the pink because in the picture it is a little bit more toned down. It's a little bit more smoked out. So I'm just going right over it like that. And now I'm taking, I forgot the names. I'm just sitting here doing a voiceover. I apologize. And I'm just going under my brow just to carve them out and also to get rid of some shadow that might be going up too high to my brows. And then I'm taking cake mix, no, candy floss, I believe, and just putting it over the inner half of my lid into the middle portion of my lid. I don't know how to do tutorials anymore. I haven't done this in so long. Holy shit. And next, I was trying to figure out if I was going to use some of these Wet n Wild glitter palettes that I've had for years for specific Halloween tutorials, but I wasn't sure. So instead, we broke out these Stila liquid shadows, which I love so much, the glitters. However, they are just really difficult for me to work with for some reason. Like, I was like patting it, and then I was going over it with a shadow, and then I was using a brush. So I think I was going, oh no, candy floss. That's what it was, right? Is that what I said before? I don't even remember. And tried to set that, and then I took a black eyeliner and just went into my waterline to give myself more of a smoky effect, and then I went in with Extraction and then smoked that up and also gave myself a little bottom wing, as you guys can see right there, so I can do my winged liner. Sorry, this is going very, very fast. Wasn't expecting that. So now I'm taking my eyeliner, and you guys can see I'm just doing a basic wing, just like in the original picture. I'm trying to get myself into doing wing liner again. Like, it's just so hard when you don't do liner for such a long time. And yes, these are my original brows and stuff from earlier. And now I'm just cleaning up my wing because you guys know my hack for how I get perfect wing liner. Now next, oh my gosh, you guys, these are Violet Voss lashes. Again, I will have the name of them down below because I suck, and they are so good. Yeah, get it, Sam, get it. But I love these lashes. Like, they're not as crazy as the Vegas Nay Blue pack, but they are like life-changing. Like, I love them. So now I'm just blending them with my original lashes, which I should have mascaraed before, but again, trying to get back into lashes. I don't know what I'm doing. So basically the lashes are on and they look really good. So now I decided to take one of the Wet n Wild glitters. This is one of the iridescent ones. And I decided to mistakenly pat this over the inner to middle portion of my eyelid. And then I'm going to be setting this with, you guys will see, with some more glitter. Some pink craft glitter. Again, don't do this. Don't do what I do. Use cosmetic glitter, but I decided to be that person. So just so we're clear, the camera died. So not died, overheated. So now we are on to the rest of the face. So now I am going back to the voiceover. Hi, taking my Skin Frost from Jeffree Star in Onyx Ice, and I'm using that to basically contour my face because I'm a witch and I don't really care. I don't wear normal makeup. I mean, you can if you want. Whatever. You get what I mean. It's Halloween. I love to use this shade around Halloween, and I did make an uh-oh and did put too much, but I'm going to try and blend that out the best I can once I'm done laying down my contour. And then I'm just taking this brush and just trying to blend it out the best that I can. It wasn't the best, but I did end up putting some Jeffree Star Regina George Skin Frost over it, as well as some highlighter, which you guys will see, and it just came out actually looking pretty decent, which I really do like a lot. There's Regina George, love her. I actually ended up using her kind of as a, as a powder all over, like on my T-zone, on my nose, on my chin, just to give myself like an extra pink pop. I wanted her to be like a glittery witch. And there's that highlighter. That Coty Airspun highlighter, you guys, like, is no joke. It's so blinding. Look at that. Hello. Hi. We can see you from the heaven. See you to up through the I don't remember how the sayings go. I'm old. So then you guys didn't see this, but I did line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics liner in Ulta Beauty, and then I put some of the limited edition Soul Sucker from Jeffree Star on, and I'm putting some Prom Night in to mix into my lips. But yeah, this is a really fast tutorial. I'm sorry, I didn't realize how fast this was going for me in my voiceover, but I just put on my little witch hat. And this is my completed look. I decided to extend my lip line, as you guys can see, which now I kind of regret because I feel like it looks dumb. But I was trying to make her, like, extra exaggerated and kind of sassy and, like, you know, like, I'm a witch and I could turn you to a frog. Ha ha. Like, that kind of a vibe. So that's what I was going for. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you have a very happy and safe Halloween. And I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And I will see you guys tomorrow for my next one. Love you guys. Bye.